Hello everyone, this is Dee from KingKonree company. Today we're here. Just want to introduce our latest marble color. The first one, this color looks like waterfall. You can see there here many different colors chips in here. This material is stone surface. It can be simply joined. Our client using these big knives to cut kitchen countertops, vanity tops, wash basin, tables, and so on. This is our second color. Second color, you will see this veining. This veining is from this natural marble. White with green veining, different. You see here. The touch is very smooth. Stable quality. We have quality control system. Before loading, our QC team will inspect one piece by one piece and make sure each sheet are perfect to our client. This is our last color that I will show you today. This is black and white veining. You will see this veining looks like trees. Here also this light white veining. All of those colors, material are surface. Welcome to contact us for catalog, samples, or price. Customized colors are available for us. Welcome to customize your design.